Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ross, and I am not there today. I apologize. Had kind of an emergency situation come up. I should be there on Wednesday, but I wanted to let you know what I want you to do while I'm not there. So, first things first, here's our website thing here. Let me go to okay, and I'll scroll down. This is not helpful for you. Okay. You're right here where it says Science 6. Don't worry about any of this business. But the first thing I want you to do is complete the assigned pretest on the HMH website. Let me show you what I mean. So if we come back here and we go to the HMH website and we sign in, remember you're going to use your username as your first name dot last name, and then your password is the same password that you use to get into your computer, complete with that exclamation point at the end. And when you get here, you might have to make sure that you're in module J. See, right now I'm in L, which is what 8th grade is doing. So to get to J, I have to use the down arrow. That's B. That's not where I want to be. Ha. Okay, there's J. And what I would do is somewhere across the top, maybe it's in my stuff or my, see, mine looks different. Or it says assignments, because what I've done is I've assigned the pretest. It's not for a grade. It just tells me what you know about this first unit that we're going to do. It kind of gives me a gauge of what we need to cover and what what you have a good handle on. So that'll be the first thing that you do right there. And if you need to pause this video or stop this video or rewind this video or rewatch this video, feel free. That's the cool thing about having a video that tells you what to do. I would like for you to finish your respect agreement in independent study. Hopefully we'll be able to talk about that on Wednesday. And then I'd like for you to work on your notes. So we started our notes yesterday. And normally what I have you do is I would have you do like a page a day. Maybe there are 4 pages of notes or 3 pages of notes. The notes will vary anywhere between 5 or 6 pages to just 1 page, so it really depends on how long the lesson is. I try to give enough days, as many days as there are pages. So what I would do for the rest of the time today is to work on that. If we look at the lesson planner for today, it talks about this Properties of Matter Science Station Lab that we're supposed to have. And if you look in the science lab, you'll see that I started setting that up today or Monday. But I didn't get a chance to finish that, and I did not know that I wasn't going to be there on Tuesday. So we'll start that on Wednesday. No big deal. We'll change up the lesson planner and we'll get it so that it reflects correctly. Now, if you're working on this and you have any questions, or you can't find the website, or you can't sign in, or you're really not sure how to do the notes, you're welcome to help each other on the notes. You're not welcome to copy one another's, notes. So I think that that's all that I have for you. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on Wednesday.